Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Splitwise with Gpay. First, open Splitwise and create a group for your friends, a trip, or any shared activities. This makes it easy to track expenses for everyone involved. Then, tap Add Expenses and enter the total amount along with the details of how it should be split. Splitwise will automatically calculate who owes whom, saving you trouble of doing the math yourself. Next, go to Balances or Summary to check how much each person owes. Here, you can clearly see each member's share and decide who will send the payment first. After that, open Google Pay and send the money to your friend's UPI ID or phone number. Make sure to enter the exact amount from Splitwise. Google Pay will let you send money instantly or request payments if someone hasn't paid yet. Finally, return to Splitwise and tap Settle Up. Choose Paid via Google Pay or manually mark the expense as paid. This keeps your records accurate and ensures everyone knows the payment has been completed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.